Content preparation, transaction, and updation are the core elements of teaching learning process. This video is about voice-assisted video lectures to improve the efficiency of teaching learning process, mainly focusing on content preparation, transaction, and updation. What are voice-assisted video lectures? It is a video lecture in which system-generated voices are used instead of specific human voices. The video you are watching is an example of voice-assisted video lectures. Students get access to contents from multiple sources, including faculty, fellow students, alumni, external experts, institute archive, with seamless consistency in pronunciation and accents. Besides, they get more chances of listening to English of international standards. There are several benefits to the Institute in using voice-assisted video lectures, to transact contents to the students. Video lectures of high quality can be retained for lifetime, and may be used across programs and departments seamlessly. No investments on echo-proof sound recording studio rooms. Lecture content as a service may be implemented to draw contents from external experts. Benefits to video creators. Creators may prepare video at their convenience. No need to spend time on echo-proof AC rooms for recording audio. More versions of the same video, with improved contents, can be created with less effort. Benefits to the course handling faculty. Course handling faculty may derive the contents from multiple sources, including students, other faculty, alumni, industry experts, institute archive, without worrying about presentation consistency, in addition to their own contents. Course handling faculty may spend more time on assessment process.